गोवन चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स अँड इंडस्ट्रीची अध्यक्षा प्रतिमा धोंड आणि नामनेचे उद्योजक नितीन कुंकळयेकार हांणी राज्य सरकाराच्या गोव्यांत खंयचीही नोंदणी या नव्या उपक्रमाचे स्वागत केला. या ऑनलाईन सुविधेक लागून जमिनी आणि मालमत्तेची नोंदणी सोपी जातली, काम विनाकारण उशिरा जावपाचे थांबतेले आणि लोकांचा त्रास उणो जातलो. तसेच गोव्यांत वेपार व्यवसाय करप आणखी सुलभ जातले, ईज ऑफ डुईंग बिझनेस असो विश्वास त्यांनी उक्तायला.
All over the 3 districts, of course. And I would like to wish the CM and the CS, all of them have worked very hard. The sub-registrar and all the departments have worked so hard that we have got it in very short time. So we are very happy about it. And I hope such more different things take place. And it will be a good thing for our ease of doing business. Thank you.
It's one of the most helpful thing for the Goans. It is basically an attempt to improve upon the citizens' experience. Basically, Honorable CM was also working out. Last 5 years I have been working very closely with him on a lot of reforms and continuously has been supporting. Now due to little bit of technology issues of NGDRS, there were some issues. That's why this initiative got bit delayed. But CM was almost for last 2 years along with Chief Secretary, Revenue Secretary and the Registration Department officials was working continuously to improve upon the working of entire sub-registers in the state of Goa. And one of the major initiative that was highlighted was to bring in anywhere in Goa registration. But as you have to integrate the complete sub-registration offices, the Stamp Act is not a state act, it is a central act, and we have to work within the means of central act. So there were limitations, then there were legal issues. So gradually for last 6 months, the Revenue Secretary, Chief Secretary and the Sub-Registrar, they threshed out the issue and CM was constantly monitoring, and this anywhere in Goa registration has come up. All credit to the Honorable Chief Minister for his continuous follow-up, and Chief Secretary and especially Revenue Secretary who was taking very active interest, Mr. Sandeep Jacobs is one of the outstanding. We are blessed to have such a Goan officer in IAS who took very personal interest in making this scheme beneficial for the Goans. So now with this, each of the district will handle, and gradually I feel this entire Goa will be anywhere registration. This will help any person to opt any location, and actually earlier Mapsa was quite congested, Pernem was congested, and a lot of cases were coming up. And the moment you approve the sale deeds, approve the sale deed for purpose of registration, before registration, giving the appointment, pressure was coming up. So managing both sides were becoming difficult. So now that issue will be sorted out. Citizens can experience a very seamless process. And I am sure government gradually will improve upon other processes like refund and other aspects of registration also will be dealt. But today it takes quite a bit of time to get refund. So hopefully once this system is in place, the refund process also will be expedited. So all credit to the Honorable Chief Minister for his dynamism. And almost I have personally addressed 70 to 80 issues in last 4 to 5 years, which he with his personal interest and with the support of his staff, he has got it addressed. So this is to benefit the citizens of Goa. Citizens' experience towards governance is the most important aspect, and which this government and the bureaucracy is trying to address, and I am grateful to them on behalf of all my industry colleagues and all my friends and all the citizens of Goa. I thank them for initiating this, and I hope in next 6 months they will also take initiative to make anywhere in Goa registration. Thank you.